Today we're going to take a look at how we can use our smartphone as an LCD backpack just using a Velcro strap. Now, what do we need to make this smartphone backpack? Now, first you're going to need a cheap case for your smartphone, this for attaching the Velcro. And then we got the Velcro itself with some tape on the other side. And finally we got the waterproof backdoor for the GoPro. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the soft-sided Velcro and attach it to the back door. And by taking two pieces we can cover up the whole surface. And then we simply attach the two pieces to the back door. You also want to make sure you don't get too close to the clip before closing your case. Now we got the back door covered, so let's get over to our case for the smartphone. Now again, here we want to make sure we hold the smartphone case so we can easily close the housing of the GoPro, and we're just going to mark where we can stick our Velcro. All that's left now is repeat the process with the rough side of the Velcro. So now we are finished and we can use our smartphone as an LCD backpack. So wherever you are, you just take your Velcro backdoor and attach it to the case. And then it's just simply attaching our smartphone case with smartphone to our GoPro camera, and we got a nice LCD backpack. And now let's take a look at how it's working. We make sure we are connected to the right network, and then we're going to fire up the GoPro app. There you have your own homemade LCD backpack by using your own smartphone. Although I don't recommend using this in high action sports, you can use this with a high protection case for your smartphone if you want to do the trick. This would be ideally for a handheld camera, so you can align your shots the way you want. So last tip of the day, this would be very easy to change your settings, and if you're in a hurry, this will help you get that shot very easily and very quickly. So if you like this video, just leave a thumbs up, or if you have any more questions, just leave them in the comments below. Please check out my channel and subscribe if you like, and otherwise you can find me on Google+, Facebook or Instagram. Please check out my other vids as well, and cheers, see you later at Lucky Studios.